Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for being here today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Rama Sidik Purnama. I'm study at STMIK Amik Bandung and I'm from Pacet, Cianjur City. The subject of my presentation is photography, and the purpose of my presentation is understand the basic of photography. Firstly, I will introduce the camera. This photography tool is called a camera. The camera is a tool for forming and recording bright shadow on the sheet of film. Second, what the purpose of photographing? The purpose of photographing is to capture the moment. Third, the basic technique of photography. The basic of photography is the exposure triangle. Then, what is the exposure triangle? The exposure triangle is a term used for three basic elements of exposure: aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Each of these elements is interrelated in influencing the incoming light reaching the camera sensor to record photos. What is ISO? ISO is a measure of the sensitivity of the camera sensor to light. The higher our ISO setting, the more sensitive the sensor is to light, and the higher the ISO, the noise will appear, noise like the black dot in the photo. What is aperture? The aperture is a hole in the area of the diaphragm there the radiance light pass the height and size the character that determine the height of the Fresnel zone and Fresnel diffraction that occur. Windows values at one stop interval range from f/1, f/1.4, etc. The smaller f, the bigger the opening, and vice versa. Shutter speed, aim or shutter, is a curtain around the camera sensor, while speed means phase or space. The faster of object you want to freeze, the higher the shutter setting you need freeze. Good photos for beginners. It quite practical. Good photos are photos that have the correct lighting. Photos that have good composition and sharp and accurate focus photos. But it is different if the question of what a good photo comes for a designer photographer who has a good understanding of the basic theory of photography from exposure to lighting quality. The writings of a senior photographer Christopher, an advanced photographer, was more critical in dealing with the definition of photos. A good definition of a photo is the photo that inspires its viewers. When the photos in display the photo criticism by asking, does the picture inspire people? That brings us to the end of the presentation today. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.